Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on one of the most anticipated hotel developments in Jamaica. This is where they're going to be building the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, a 1,000-room mega hotel out in Montego Bay. To the right is Ibera Star, and then to the left of where the Hard Rock is going to be built is where they're building the Unico Hotel. And then to the left of the Unico is where they're going to be building that's the Unico straight ahead. And then beside the Unico, they're going to be building the Moon Palace, a 34-floor mega hotel. So this area of Montego Bay is quickly developing into a mega hotel area. Now, the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is going to have numerous towers. They are going to be from between 20 and 25 floors. Now, when you look at this land, it looks very narrow. And I always wondered, and when we discussed the Unico has so much land, it's more spread out. But this hotel, when you look at the renderings, we can't show it because of copyright. But when you look at the renderings, it's going to have quite a few towers that are between 20 and 25 floors. It's a massive hotel. And I'm sure because both properties are owned by RCD Hotels, they'll be linked somehow. But it doesn't look like it's not as big as a Unico lot in terms of width, but it definitely is a big piece of land. And the first stage, I guess, would have to be the clearing. Now, they announced that they will start building this hotel as soon as they're finished with the Unico. And the Unico is going to be finished this year. It was to have been finished before. Last year, I think, was the date. But with the hurricane and everything, construction was delayed. So the construction of the Hard Rock should start this year. And the Hard Rock is going to have a massive casino inside of it. And so will Moon Palace. But we'll talk about the casino aspect in another video. The Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, Montego Bay, is a major tourism development being constructed along the Rose Hall corridor near Montego Bay. The resort is designed as a large beachfront complex that combines luxury accommodation, entertainment, and gaming facilities, helping to expand Jamaica's tourism industry. A key feature of the project is the construction of high-rise hotel towers. The towers are expected to reach about 20 to 25 stories, making them among the tallest hotel structures in the Montego Bay area. Their height allows hundreds of guest rooms to be stacked vertically while giving many rooms panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. The resort will include approximately 1,000 guest rooms, along with restaurants, pools, spa facilities, conference spaces, entertainment venues, and a casino. Engineers must build strong reinforced concrete foundations and structural systems to support the tall towers and withstand coastal weather conditions such as strong winds and hurricanes. Overall, the construction of the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Montego Bay represents a major investment in tourism infrastructure. The development will add a prominent high-rise landmark to the skyline of Montego Bay while creating jobs and strengthening Jamaica's position as a leading Caribbean tourism destination. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day.